The city of Baymount had long stopped believing in justice, at least the kind written in law books. In neighborhoods like East Glen, the courts didn't bring peace. The people did, and sometimes that peace came with blood. They still talk about what happened on Delaney Street, about the man they called Coach D. To the system, he was a criminal. To the block, he was a savior. By day, Coach D was a father to the fatherless. He ran the old gym, bought jerseys with his own money, kept boys off the street and girls off the poles, fed kids after school when the fridge at home was empty. He had no badge, no degree, no microphone, just grit, prayer, and scars that never healed right. Then came Rico, a new face in the streets. Flashy chains, fast cars, fast talk. He set up shop 2 blocks from the gym. At first it was quiet, then the funeral started. A 14-year-old named Tay got caught in crossfire. Wrong hoodie, wrong corner, wrong time. The bullet didn't care, neither did the law. Coach D begged the cops to act. He gave names, he gave addresses, but the detective said, "Not enough evidence. Let the system work." Let the system work? Coach D couldn't sleep that night. Not after seeing Tay's mom wailing on the sidewalk. Not after hearing about 2 more overdoses in 1 week. Not after seeing one of his players, Jamal, start dealing just to eat. That night something snapped. Something sacred. Something dangerous. Under his bed was a past he'd buried. A Glock 19, a burner phone, a list of sins he thought he'd never revisit. Coach D wasn't always a coach. He used to be a problem. And now the problem had come back. He watched Rico for 6 nights. Same spots, same runners, same arrogance. Coach D knew the game, but this time, he wasn't playing. Rico laughed as he counted money under the floodlight, surrounded by his goons, pistol on his lap, talking about expansion, more corners, more kids. He never saw Coach D in the shadows. He never saw the pain in his eyes, or the rage in his silence. 1 clean shot, Rico fell without a word. 2 others ran, 1 fired back, missed. By the time sirens arrived, Coach D was gone, so was the gun, so was the threat. The media got it wrong, on purpose, said it was gang violence, said Rico had enemies, but the block knew, oh, they knew, and they weren't talking. Detective Willis came by the next day, tried to smile, asked where he was that night. Coach D just looked him in the eye and said, "Doing what you won't." 2 weeks later they came for him, handcuffed him right in front of the gym, charged him with murder, no bail, no mercy. To the court he was just another vigilante, a danger to society, but to the block, he was the one who finally cleaned up what the badge ignored. He prayed every night, not for freedom, but that the kids would stay safe, that the corner stayed clean, that Jamal made it to college. He knew what he'd done, and he didn't regret it, not for 1 second. Some folks say justice comes in a robe, others say it comes from the Lord. But around here, we learned something else. Justice ain't always legal, but it's still justice.